हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू योर चैनल वेट भाई का ज्ञान। इस वीडियो में आज हम देखेंगे एंडोक्राइनोलॉजी इन डॉग्स के बारे में। तो हम टॉप 12 अमेजिंग फैक्ट्स के बारे में देखेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फैक्ट नंबर 1, deficiency of growth hormone will lead to dwarfism. This is observed mostly in the larger breeds such as German Shepherd and Great Dane. जैसा कि आप पिक्चर में देख पा रहे हैं, लेफ्ट साइड जर्मन शेफर्ड एंड राइट साइड ग्रेट डेन। Fact number 2, majority of cases, dogs with short legs such as corgis and Dachshunds etc. have a genetic mutation in the fibroblast growth factor receptor gene that causes reduced growth in the length of the bones. Fact number 3, autoimmune thyroiditis is the most common cause of hypothyroidism in dogs. This is an autoimmune condition where the dog's immune system attacks normal follicular tissue. Fact number 4, the lack of thyroid hormone causes weight gain, thinning of the hair coat. Hypothyroid dogs can also develop acanthosis nigricans, also called black pigmented skin, especially in the groin region. Fact number 5, in dogs, grave disease has been diagnosed. In this case, a very strange antibody formed by lymphocytes which mimic thyroid stimulating hormone. It will bind to the TSH receptor on the thyroid follicular cells and initiate thyroid hormone secretion. Fact number 6, Addison disease or hypoadrenocorticism is observed in certain breed of dogs such as standard poodles. Normal mineral corticoid ratio is sodium is to potassium 27:1 and dog with Addison disease is 24:1. Symptoms in dog include vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, tremors. Fact number 7, Cushing disease or hyperadrenocorticism produces excessive amount of glucocorticoids from adrenal gland. In dog, it disrupts normal replacement of body muscles since it slows protein formation and accelerates protein degradation. Fact number 8, in dog, Cushing disease causes a pot-bellied appearance due to atrophy of abdominal muscles. Also, dystrophic classification of skin, calcinosis cutis is a classical lesion of Cushing disease in dogs. Calcinosis cutis मतलब स्किन के अंदर कैल्शियम के लम्प्स बन जाते हैं। Fact number 9, in dogs, endogenous progesterone can feed back on the hypothalamus and cause increased production of growth hormone. This may be beneficial for initiation of lactation. Fact number 10, when dogs are placed on high doses of synthetic progestins, usually to suppress estrus, it can induce iatrogenic acromegaly. Iatrogenic acromegaly का मतलब होता है कि increase in growth hormone because of any medical treatment. Fact number 11, the cause of diabetes in most dogs is not known. Many dogs develop diabetes in association with other conditions including Cushing syndrome, acromegaly, estrus, pancreatitis, and prolonged administration of glucocorticoids or progesterone-like drugs. Fact number 12, successful treatment of diabetes mellitus requires capable and willing owner who must accept the responsibility for giving daily insulin injections and feeding their dogs at a proper times a day.